the truth.
Alright, right at the Pyramid Plaza. Eat to Live Grill. Wholesome cooking, organic, fresh ingredients, breakfast and lunch. It's right here at this apartment building. Right behind New Garden. Right, if you look down there, you see Donna and Andrea's hotel. Trying to give you an idea of the location. About to do a review on some food right here. Got Mr. Charles right here. This is the owner and the chef. So when y'all see him and he asks y'all, can I help you? You know, y'all say, yes, sir. I need a menu, please, or something. You know, don't be acting all funny because y'all see a brother down here, you know, owning something. So y'all check him out. About to tear these wings up. They wing, not wing ding.
Everybody else is ding.
They the best wings, Jose? Right here? It's good, okay. We're gonna check them out. Now this is the stir fry.
Stir is vegetable, grilled vegetable.
Okay, grilled vegetable. Stir fry.
Organic vegetable.
Organic. None of that fugazi stuff. Alright.
Not frozen, fresh.
I got you. We're gonna try these out.
Yes, honey.
Good?
Yep, going.
No problem.
Alright, man.
That came
I
real quick.
just tried out the
So,
the
you want to
veggies.
send the boy to go get them?
Definitely good.
Go get them.
God,
You know
damn.
what? But I think that's the last time we get the straws because the way you're doing it with the other straws, it's fine.
Wings off the
I
train.
think that's the last time we're going to order straws. Because the way
These
you
wings are off the train.
those straws,
Definitely good wing. Y'all come check them out, man. What's the name of the spot again? What's the name of the spot, Charles?
Eat to live.
Eat to Live. Come get you some healthy steamed grilled chicken. Not fried, grilled. Straight up.
grill. Whole wing.
That's good.
You know what I mean? So the only thing I can be competitive
That
with
chicken
is
up.
the chicken.
Right there.
Here it is, Charles and his lovely wife. How you doing? What's your name? Tamara? Sandra. I'll come check them out. And Charles got the hookup on anything y'all need over here. Taxi cab, rooms, whatever, man.
Things that's green.
We'll edit that. We'll chop that out. It's all good.
Subscribe.